We are back here with another unboxing. So we're going to check this one out. It's The Batman 2022 movie directed by Matt Reeves. It's the 11th Batman movie overall. Stars Robert Pattinson. There's the front, the side, and there's the back. And there's the disc. Thought the movie was pretty good. Do a review on it sometime. I think it's an interesting reboot to the Batman franchise. I think the franchise needed this movie. Is it better than The Dark Knight? I don't know. But we'll discuss that at a later time. So there's The Batman.